Hello students, today we are going to cover two important cell organelles that are ribosomes and centrosomes. So let's begin with ribosomes. Ribosomes, that is a very important cell organelles found in both type of plant and animal cells. These ribosomes are found both in both plant and animal cell. It is the smallest spherical structure. In shape it is spherical and also not covered by membrane. Ribosomes are not covered by any membrane. It is just appear as small spherical structure. It is found basically in cytoplasms and also on the endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm, These ribosomes are found in cytoplasm and also on endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes are either found in the cytoplasm or on the endoplasmic reticulum. Function of ribosome is to produce proteins. So also called, these ribosomes are also known as protein factories of the cell. Ribosomes are also known as protein factory of the cell. We have discussed this earlier that in nucleolus of nucleus, ribosomes are produced. Nucleolus of nucleus synthesize ribosomes that are the protein factory of the cell. So it is the smallest cell organelle that is not bounded by any membrane. So this is all about ribosomes. Now let us see the another cell organelle, that is centrosome. Centrosome or centriole. This cell organelles are found in animal cells only. It is located near the nucleus. It appears as a two microcylinders are attached with this thread-like structures. These are microcylindrical These are microcylindrical structures that are attached with these rays. So this is the structure of the centrome or centrioles. It is found in animal cells only, and at the time of division these two microcylindrical structures moves towards the opposite poles of the nucleus. These both moves towards the opposite pole of the nucleus. These microcylindrical structures that will move towards the opposite poles of the nucleus, and at the time of division it forms spindle fibers. It produces spindle fibers at the time of division. It produces spindle fibers. Basal bodies like cilia and flagella. Basal body like cilia and flagella are also formed by this centrosome, formed by this structure. Cilia and flagella, that are the basal body and also thread-like structures, are produced by the centrosome and centrioles, and also it produces spindle fibers at the time of cell division. It is located near the nucleus, found in animal cells only. Thank you.